Hey guys, Francisco Reyes Roofing. Today here I'm at Mr. Mark's property. We're gonna do an ATR. Roof was say it wasn't sufficient amount of damage on the roof. Obviously it's not a big slope roofs. It's just two gables on the roof. We're gonna go ahead and do an ATR repair on the shingle. As you guys can see, there's only deterioration all over the roof and also some good amount of hail hits. I don't know why this inspector did not inspect this roof for hail when we have hail all over the roof, and all he did was look for wind, knowing that the homeowner had no idea what he had up on the roof. Homeowner had no contractor before we got involved. There was more hail right here. Look at that one right there. I'm gonna go ahead and sit down this camera. Gonna go ahead and sit down the camera to see if we got plenty of time to do this recording, but battery's running low on this thing, so I can do this. I think that should be good enough. All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and use a snake tool to try to prevent from causing any more damage to the shingle itself on the attempt to repair. Also remember, this shingle was created by the manufacturer to be used as a scaffold, as a spatula to remove the shingles off its seal. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove these shingles off its seal as gentle as possible. Once again, this tool was created for this. We're doing the repair just like the manufacturer recommends us to do. All right, we're gonna go ahead and lift up the shingle just a little bit so we can pull the nail out. Ooh, it's hot. Pull the nails out. All right. It's gonna be my easiest one yet. All right guys, so I believe all the nails are pulled out. I got 2 seconds, 2 minutes. All right, shingle is out. I'm gonna go ahead and use the shingle to repair this. I'm placing it back in. Jesus Christ, just forget it. Guys, so just the shingle is, this is hot. So the shingle is out, I slid it back in to show you how much force I'm gonna need to actually do this. But as you guys can see, just by this, removing these nails as gentle as I can, this roof already got damaged. So I can already state to you that this is a failed attempt to repair. There's no way I can repair this roof without causing more damage to the roof itself. So this needs to be a full roof replacement. All right.